Boom gang, whole lot of gang shit. Boom gang, whole lot of gang shit. What's good, YouTube? What's really good? Y'all know how I do that thing, boy. Alright, y'all, so look. This is gonna be a vlog day. This is just gonna be a chill day. Oh, there's Tiffany right there. You feel me? We gotta multitask. More than one channel. Your boy getting some facial hair, boy. That's what I'm talking about. I'm looking too nice. Make sure y'all subscribe. And if you already subscribed, hit that notification bell. I gotta remind y'all, boy. Hey, when you vlog, do you look at the screen or the camera? The screen? I'm finna start looking at the camera. Y'all let me know down in the comments. Do I look weird when I look at the camera or the screen? Camera, screen. Look, I'm just now starting to vlog, so y'all gotta let me know. At appliances, here she go, boy. We gonna be all day. I can't even fit, boy. What the hell? She left me. Baby, come back. Oh my God. I'm lost. Come back. Come back. That's why I don't fuck with her, bro. She just heard me screaming for help. She don't care at all. She don't give a fuck. Well, they do got some nice stuff, though. Dang, that was a pothole. There we go. I gotta change routes. GPS recalculating. Wow. What? All of that? What?
With the Ring app, you can see, hear, and speak to whoever's at the door, all from your fridge.
What?
Tap the talk button.
Get out of here. That's crazy.
You can also control and monitor your smart devices and appliances with Bixby, your built-in intelligent voice assistant, or by using the touchscreen. With one tap, easily run appliances like the Samsung PowerBot vacuum.
That's crazy.
It's just the hub, or the the doorbell, and there's a camera on it, and so you can actually see from the inside on either your phone or on your refrigerator if you buy the Samsung refrigerator and download the app.
Wow, on the refrigerator.
It's all about
That's
safety.
cool. I heard that.
That is crazy.
I know, that's insane.
$3,298.
Hey, I low-key want to try it.
Of course it does.
Let's see you at the door. Hey, what's good, boy?
This is
That's
a cool
tight.
trick I want to try, but it won't
What?
stay. You put your phone in there and then you know how to. I'm gonna show you.
What you doing? Is this magic?
Samsung.
You ain't even recorded. Ah, blooper on your dumb ass.
Samsung. I think this is gonna be my next purchase. My next big purchase.
Oh yeah, she track on me. I don't know, bro. Make sure y'all comment down below. Camera or screen? Camera or screen? I gotta know. I got to. Ooh, the microwave is kind of nice. What price? Hey, these are some good prices though.
For a stove?
Yeah, some good prices. What you mean?
That's
It's
decent.
decent.
Of it too.
Hey, but this Samsung stuff, I ain't even gonna lie.
This is fancy.
It's a little fancy.
Right.
It's a little fancy. Wow. It all go together. Why do the dishwasher need to connect
It's connected
to the
this
doorbell?
thing here.
That's where I gotta draw the line. When the dishwasher connect to the doorbell, that's too much. You gonna keep doing it?
I want to see who's at the front
She gonna
door.
keep doing it, bro.
You know, guys, you might want to think about getting that refrigerator.
Say what, boy?
Because I'm thinking about it.
Say what, good?
But yeah, I don't know what we really came here for.
We came here for boxes,
I'm just-
actually. Should we go with the fridges or the stoves?
I like the refrigerators.
Refrigerator.
Yeah, I like the refrigerators.
Or, no,
I
we
like-
need to look at the washers and dryers.
Oh
Good
yeah,
choice.
washers and dryers too.
Facts.
But I'm obsessed with like the washers and dryers. Oh, those are the stackable.
Stackable. Stackable. Huh?
It's still extra heavy.
Of
I
course.
cannot wait till they come out with washer and dryers that are lightweight and easy to move. Because imagine moving that thing in and
Hey,
out.
this is a good price. This one only $300. What?
Do you like the door opening? Or like
Oh, the
top?
dryer
Or
is
do you prefer
crazy.
the door or like the top? Like
Wait
the,
a minute. Why is the washer so cheap? But the dryer,
Yeah, they say you can wash, but you can't dry.
bro, is it
That's
like this
what's
for
that.
all washers and dryers? Like, that's
Not that I
crazy.
know of. But I'm trying to figure out what do I like, the top load or the door?
Top load. You
do?
just throw it. You just
with
throw
that,
it
you
on
gotta
top.
Open it and bend down.
No, this one on top too.
No, look, they have the door.
Look, it's got a door up here too.
So what? Okay, that's the washer, that's the dryer. Oh, upper washer, lower washer. Upper
Yeah, it's
side,
got
lower-
both.
Oh, it's two.
It's both
You
of
can
them.
wash at the top and wash at the bottom.
Yeah.
Damn, Samsung is really doing their thing.
Hey,
Apple
Samsung is on one, bro.
washer and dryers and refrigerators.
I don't know.
Apple?
Let them know, boy. All right, y'all. Make sure y'all comment down below some pranks you guys want to see and some challenges. All of that good stuff. Let us know, Team Rennie, in the comments, boy. You said what?
I told them to let me know they're obsessed with appliances.
Girl, you better move before you get whacked.
Get
Watch
wet.
out. Get whacked. Keeping it real. Ooh, see, she was about to get whacked. Bro, I'm low key. You is bougie.
But the white ones get the job done too. Ooh, try this. This is good lighting in here.
I want a black one.
Good lighting on here.
You said that's good lighting. That better be good lighting. If you don't get it there, your ass ain't gonna get it over, boy. I'm telling you, ooh, this is good lighting.
Sure, let me get
Shit,
all
this
these
every
lights so I
YouTuber's
can
dream.
I
What you
know.
talking about?
make you look better too. Sure.
I like this.
Perfect. Ooh,
Hey,
especially this
hey.
spot. This spot. This is the
What's the
spot.
difference in spots?
If you're a YouTuber, you know.
Hold on, let me see what spot she talking about. Ooh, she just bumped my camera. You so rude.
For you, I don't know, but this is my spot.
Oh, that's your spot.
I like this.
All
Yeah.
right. Nah,
Maybe they always the same, but to me, that spot
Let's
was
get
the
it.
best.
I know for a fact.
Dang,
This
so you
is
can just
not my
record in
spot.
here. That's all we gotta do is record and get all the lighting you can get.
Facts. I sit down, set up a reaction.
This about to get better.
Shit.
But yeah, anyway,
Hey, y'all, make sure y'all DM me on Instagram what next prank to hit Tiffany with. I already got one on the way. Y'all already know. Upload coming real soon. So make sure y'all got y'all notification bells on. Y'all already know. Damn. We went completely in a circle. We came here for boxes, boy. What the hell?
we only came here for one, two. Y'all ever do that?
For boxes, boy.
End up doing
Insane. Ooh, heavy duty medium box. Damn, not for no $2 for a box, boy. The fuck is you tweaking? They
But that's a
tweaking.
large box. That's
That's
large.
that's a medium. Medium. That's a schmeedy. Schmeedy. Oh, be careful. Heavy duty small box. Hey, what's the difference?
Attention, Home Depot shoppers. Sign up for your lifetime warranty and install windows today. See any associate or step to the Millward Center
What you
for more
think? You think we
information.
need the middle
And
one?
as always, we thank you for shopping at the Hammond Home Depot.
Oh no, this for TVs though.
Oh no, yeah, you could tell.
No.
The heavy duty is the board is thicker. The heavy duty, like
Oh, and
picture
that's
frame, that's what that like this one here.
go ahead, boy. You ain't turned no more. What's wrong? She knows she's a girl. Man, we left the stove. Now we just out. We fancy. We just walking in the park, ain't we?
Yeah.
Like a new couple. You feel me? We ain't never fell off.
A new couple. A loving couple.
She said it's so fake. Nah.
A loving couple that sticks together.
Bro, this is nice. So, y'all, make sure y'all definitely comment down some more ideas. We just taking a little, we ain't taking no break. It ain't never no breaks. We uploading content right now. We are just really, really busy. Really busy.
Very.
Really busy.
Busy like we losing sleep busy.
Right. Never been this busy before, bro. Right.
Only for 20 minutes. That's crazy.
Right. And I slept for what?
You slept longer than me?
I slept for 20 because you called me and you wouldn't let me go to sleep. Hey, y'all, do y'all have girls just because they can't sleep, they don't want you to sleep?
Oh yeah, that was kind of what it was.
Hating for no damn reason. I can't get my sleep. She can't let me get my damn sleep. That's crazy.
Sure, we do things as a team. If I
Hating.
sleep, you sleep. If I don't sleep, you don't sleep.
Hating. Haters, boy. It be your day ones too. That's the craziest part about it.
But you still slept anyway. That's the funniest part about
Oh,
it.
whatever. I barely slept. Boom gang, whole lot of gang shit. Boom gang, whole lot of gang shit. Boom gang, whole lot of gang shit. Boom gang, whew. Whole lot of gang shit. What you talking about? Whew. Man, it was a good day, man. I ain't even finna lie. Well, Tiffany, she behind me. I don't know if y'all can see her, but she in the other car behind me. You already know. And we about to go ahead and go out to eat. Don't ask why we taking two cars. It ain't none of your business. But all right, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in to R&T Entertainment or whatever channel this is on. Most likely R&T Fam. Thank you so much for subscribing. Make sure you hit that notification bell, R&T Fam. Thank you so much for joining the team. Y'all already know. And also, please follow our social medias up at the top of the screen. Follow the Instagram and the Snapchat. You can also DM us any pranks, challenges, or reactions you guys want. Y'all know how we do it. But until next time, I'm out. Peace. Until next time, I'm out. Oh, and make sure y'all don't forget to comment down below. Camera, screen. Camera, screen. What you look at when you vlogging, bro. YouTubers need to, y'all need to quit keeping secrets, nigga. Let somebody know the tricks of this. Boy, y'all need to let somebody know the tricks of this, boy. But, yeah, that's about it, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. And until next time, it's your boy, Rennie, and I'm out. Peace.